Winter is not really trying to let us be great. Like, this weather is trying to play all of us. I almost was gonna put on this purple lip. Should I put on the purple lip? Or should I leave it red? I think I'm gonna leave it red. Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Today I filmed a very springy makeup look. I chose to go with purple because purple is my favorite color and it reminds me of spring, and I love anything purple. I paired this eye look with a red lip because I felt like it would give it more of a punch. You could always do this look with a nude lip or even a purple lip to keep it more monochromatic, but I think the red look definitely makes it look like hot fire. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Keep watching to see how I achieved this springtime look. I'm gonna start off with my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm gonna use this shade right here to blend all over my lid. I'm gonna take this orange shade right here, and I'm gonna blend that now in the crease. I'm gonna blend it pretty high up though. Everybody is ready for spring at this point because this winter, it was not trying to let us go. Now I'm gonna dip into my Sephora Pro Editorial palette, and I'm gonna use this magenta shade right here, and I'm gonna blend that into my crease underneath where I put that orange shade. Now that I'm done with that shade, I'm gonna take this purple over here. Now we're gonna use another palette, and I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I'm gonna take a little bit of this purple and I'm gonna place this about like right there. I didn't spray the brush to do this part because I didn't want it to come off too intense. Done with that. Boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna take this white eyeshadow up here and I'm gonna pack that on the inner corner of my eye just to brighten everything up. Ooh, Ooh, let's see how pigmented this white is. It's a lot on the brush. Okay, okay. Now I'm going to take my MAC Show Gold, and it's like a reflective highlighter. I'm going to put some of this glitter on, or some of this highlighter on, right up in here. For foundation today, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I just got this foundation less than a week ago. And I think this is, it's one of my go-tos now because this shade matches me really well. And I think a lot of y'all know, or everybody pretty much should know, that I am not a drugstore girl. I have not been in the drugstore until this year, and I'm actually really happy with some of the things that I found. Only problem is there's no pump. Like, what do you do with this? Like, do you just pour it on your face? Like, I don't understand. Like, this is ridiculous. I guess you're supposed to put it on the back of your hand and do all that extra stuff, but I'm not doing that today. So I'm gonna be using my Real Technique sponge, my new favorite sponge, and I'm gonna blend this foundation all over. By the way, I forgot to tell y'all, I'm the shade Cappuccino in the Fit Me foundation. For a drugstore foundation, this matches me better than most high-end foundations, which is pretty cool. Like, what? I'm quickly gonna color correct underneath my eye. Wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. Sometimes you just need a little color corrector under there, because I know for me, these dark circles are real. And they don't play those kind of games with me. They don't allow me to just throw concealer on. I'll be looking casket sharp. My NARS Soft Matte Concealer is a true rider. I love this concealer. I'm almost out. It's in the shade Caramel. I'm gonna use that underneath my eye. We looking good, we looking good, we looking good. Hey, hey, hey. And we're super bright under the eye, aren't we? Huh. So I just finished setting underneath my eye with setting powder. I'm gonna take a white liner and I'm just gonna go on the waterline. I'm gonna do a black winged eyeliner. My eyeliner has been a little sketchy lately, so good vibes only. All right, that was difficult because I haven't done winged eyeliner in a while, but I'm gonna take this black eyeshadow here. Oh, no, I'm not. I ain't using you, bruh. Oh man, yes I am. All right, this black eyeshadow in this palette has sparkles in it and I don't like that, but I'm gonna use it anyway just because it's what's next to me. And I'm gonna use that on my lower lash line and I'm gonna connect that to my winged eyeliner. This eyeshadow is not very black and it's kind of problematic for me. I'm just using some of that purple on the lower lash line now. So now I'm gonna do my mascara and my lashes and I'll come right back. I'm gonna take a little bit more of the Show Gold right up in here. Make it a little bit more sparkly. Cause I love the sparkle. I love the sparkle. I'm gonna use this Juvia's Place eyeshadow right here called Giza. So we can keep that nice and bright. I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Alchemist palette and I'm gonna use the shade Pink Opal to highlight my cheekbones. Yeah, boy! Look at that. Well, that did more than I thought it was gonna do. I think I went a little OD. I think I may have taken it a little too far, but it is what it is now. You're definitely pink. Beauty blender to the rescue. Anytime you start like over highlighting, just take your beauty blender and tone it on down because that was too much. Like I definitely took it a step too far. So for my lip color today, I think I'm gonna use my Sephora cream lip stain. This is in the shade 18. It's a very hot, fiery red. I just wanted to be bright on my lips. I was gonna go in with a purple shade, but I was like, why not do the red? Why not? I like it already. I like it already.